Okay guys, so our progress is outstanding and now we will go further and we will be working on the new view controller which is stored in our tab bar, which is having also Facebook, which is a search view controller along with the notifications view controller. Okay, so we are coming back to our Xcode project. We are going to the main storyboard. And here we will need to find a one view controller, which will be UI view controller among the objects. That is the one. I will drag it on the main storyboard. Then I will embed this view controller into navigation controllers. Right on the top there will be editor. So click this editor, then select your view controller editor and select embed in navigation controller. Very good. So let me align it in the way that I do it always. Okay, so we need this navigation controller in order to have the top bar right at the top. Okay, so we must make this view controller as the part of the top bar. Okay, so what we will do is we will select the tab bar controller, we'll hold Ctrl and we will drag it to the navigation controller, release it. Select view controllers. Okay, so we have assigned this view controller as the part of the tab bar. So here we will zoom the tab bar and we want this icon to be on the left side. So hold it and drag it to the left. Excellent. Okay, so now here on the desktop, I have got the icons which I would like to copy to the project. So we're going to Assets, then I will copy first search icon. That one will be, this one will be just search, this one will be search icon selected. And that one will be just search icon. Okay, so we'll drag these icons here. All of them, they must be in the one folder. And in Attributes Inspector, render as the template image. The same we're doing just for the search icon, which is not selected. And here in the Attributes Inspector, we will select render as the template image. Okay, excellent. So these icons in the tab bar, it will be showing selected and not selected. So we want to separate them. Okay, we are now coming back to our main storyboard and we will assign these icons. So one of the way to do so is select your icon in the navigation controller. Here, as the image, select search icon. That is the one. And it got changed even here. So then we have another option which is selected image will be search icon selected. That is the one. Okay. So as you see here we got the title while here we did not. Okay, so we need to align this. First of all, we'll remove this title. And the second one, I will show you on the example of the first homepage. In the size inspector here, bottom insets, we got -10. So the same we must do here. So I select our search view controller item. And here bottom I will put -10 and we center this. Okay, excellent. And another thing which I would like to do is I would like to make the bar tent to have the same let's say color like in the Facebook. Okay, so here we go. While it is not selected, it's showing like this, and while we select it, it changed its color. Beautiful. Okay, so definitely this is we want to be of the color of the Facebook. Here we can get it. Bar tint, we click on this icon, Then we click here to pick the color, and here we go. That is the one. I'll just save it in my case. Okay, very good. And here, the background color, we will select the same Facebook branded color. Okay, we can now build and run our project, and this is actually, we have created a root view, one of the view controller of the top bar, which we will be using as the search view controller, which will have a lot of notifications and search. We can search anything here. So that is great. That is great. Okay, so we haven't done yet. Let's go and progress further.